have a bouncing speedometer needle, and the problem is a binding speedometer cable. First we're going to remove the parking brake, make sure your car isn't going to roll away, and undo the speedometer cable. I'm going to push it down through the floor, and we're going to undo all the clips on the driver's side, and there's going to be one in the wheel well itself. You don't have to, but it would be much easier to jack up the car and pull off the wheel. And you can see the cable going up over the control arm. Now we're going to loosen it and pull it all back out, and that is it for the removal. Now to replace it, we're just going to go back to the front and feed it through, as it is much easier this way than to try to feed it up through the floor. There's a little clip here, don't forget it, in the wheel well. Then we'll reattach and we're about done. And we'll just when you replace wheel, don't forget to tighten those lug nuts to torque spec. Now we'll climb back under the dash and hook this back up, and then we're done.